Hi, my name is Martin from Campus.eu and welcome to our Ford Nugget instruction video. In this video we will talk about heating and cooling. The heating system of the Nugget is a diesel-powered one. It's connected to the same fuel tank as the engine of the car takes its fuel from. It's internal circulation of air, and the hot air will come out from an opening at the cabinet in the rear and one behind the passenger seat. The way it works is very easy. You go into your control unit, you push the button, and then you will go to the little sign with the 3 arrows going up. That's the heating system. Push the button, and here it says that the system is off. And then you have 2 selections on the side, one with on and one with off. If you turn the knob one time, then you can see the setting of the temperature in the car. With the arrows you can put it up or down. So let's say 21.5 degrees. Now you go back to off and on. If you push it on, the system will go live. And in the basic setting of the camper control unit, you now see the 3 arrows going up, the icon that the heating system is on. Next to a heater, your car is also equipped with a fridge. This is a compressor fridge located in the kitchen area. It's 40 liters in size, and compressor makes it a very cool fridge. It's the same technology you use at home, only in a 12-volt system. The way you operate the fridge is pretty similar to the diesel heater. We also go into the menu of the camper control unit, but now you go to the icon with the snowflake. That's the fridge. Push the button, and now you see the fridge is off, and you see 2 arrows on the side. If you push the arrow up, you will turn the system on to setting 1, 2, 3, and going on until max. That's setting 6. But normally you will use around 3. If you push the button on the side again, you see in the basic setting, you see an icon with a snowflake telling me that the fridge is turned on.